Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to someone's story in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the Stories option in the bottom right corner. And here you can see the stories that were uploaded by your friends. Now click on the story that you want to reply to. Here click on the text box that says send message. Now type something. After you're done, click on the blue arrow to send the message. And that is how you can reply to someone's story in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.